Yeah, Frenchy, bitch. Yeah, that know me. We in here though, man. They tried to kick us out. Multiple visions of ultimately sinning past life, so far gone that I passed my life twice and asked 1,000,000 times to take the same gun or the same knife. Insane, right? Wrong, I know. I should've learned the first 1,000,000 times or so, but I lived a seamed up life like weave when it's sewn in right. Now it's back to the wrong questions and I'm not asking them right. And you heard this 1,000,000 times, but this can't be life. There's something more when somebody got it more, and it's poor that can't even feed their mouth, surrounded by greedy amounts of dirty hands, not washing faces, putting them in their mouths. That's tasteless. We're trapped in the belly of the, you know what I'm saying. Numbers for your existence leave you faceless. Yet I'm supposed to be praying and not elevating my mind. Man, you can save it. I'm so close to death I can't shave it. Get a razor out your drawer if you don't know what I'm saying, because I'm done saying this shit. There's no point in me. Express feelings get revoked. Everybody point and see. I shatter thoughts on the page, only the point can see the real message that I'm trying to get across to me. Because we are together. If not, then this happens. I'ma leave it at that, man. Fuck y'all, man, I'm out.
Don't support the phonies.
Question it.
Support the real. You know what I mean?
Don't be a stupid rapper.
How can these people be talking about how they so real and they don't care about our communities?
A stupid rapper is a motherfucker that...
How can they be talking about what they, all this, you know, the hood, blah, 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 blah. They don't care about our communities.
Have somebody else tell them what to do.
You know what I mean? Listen to the words that people say in their lyrics. And tell me if that's some real shit, if that's real to you.
You really have to question it and find out why they want you to do it.
You know what I mean? Listen to what they say. Don't just bob your head to the beat. Peep the game. And listen to what I'm saying and hold us accountable for it.
There's so much funny shit in this game.
Frenchy, bitch. Ha. They yelling kill it or heal it, they conjuring spirits, and I don't know about the man above, but if there was, then we be all in for hell. Show no love. Skinny pants wearing homo thugs. The game changed mindset and how we maneuver these lanes. Crash course to the pit, somebody open the flames. I told you I remain. Shh, don't even mention my name or take it in vain. Just nod your head if you feel what I'm saying. Feel what I'm saying, cause this shit is dope like what they feed us. And I know it's wrong when a pregnant woman destroys a fetus, but who am I to judge when the courtroom's full of bleeders that open their mouth more than politicians under the president's blouse? And that racist, what do you call it? Yeah, the White House. Y'all call it the White House. What the fuck is wrong with y'all, man? Why the fuck would you call something the White House that stands for the motherfucking capital of a nation of people that are multicultural? Why the fuck would you do that shit, man? If this shit was not founded on slavery itself, if they did not stick to that 13 colony shit, man, I don't know what the fuck they feeding y'all, man, but y'all better stop eating that shit, man. Y'all better start going upstairs and praying to someone else.